This is Tarot 101, and today we are going to do the cups. Cups are so sweet. I chose this suit first because it's one of my favorites. The cups always symbolize emotions, and I like them. And some of the nicest cards are here with the cups. And just like we did last time, I want you to pick them up and connect with them. One by one. Cups are very sweet. Cups tell you how you're feeling and how your emotions are influencing your life and your decisions and the outcomes. So there's 14 cards in each suit. The cards go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number 10 is the page. Number 11 is the knight, and then the queen, and finally the king. So once again, we're going to pick them up one by one and connect with them. I love the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups symbolizes success, happiness. Your cup runneth over. It's a wonderful card. Remember, the entire suit of cups is tied to emotions. So it always talks about emotional stuff. So if it's a positive card, if it's good, that means you're going to be happy, you're going to be fulfilled, you're going to be in love. If it's a negative card, that means that you're probably a little sad. So for instance, the Five of Cups, it's a really good card because it's warning you about something that you're not looking at. As you can see, this man is, or woman, I don't know what it is, but it seems a little upset, and it's sort of crying over the spilled milk or wine without realizing that there's still 2 cups that are standing, but he can't see that. And many times this happens to us. It happens in life, right? That we get very focused on something that is not so good and it's negative, or things that we don't like, when if we only change our perspective and turn around, there are so many other wonderful things that we have in our lives that we could be happy about. So that's what this card symbolizes to me. And I like that symbolism because I think it's a really good learning experience, and it's good to point this out. And this card comes up a lot during readings, and it always tells you about someone who's like not really looking at the whole situation. There's something that you're missing. I like it. Another card that's very similar to that is the Four of Cups. Where kind of the same thing. He's looking at this. He's probably upset because he thinks he's missing one, but he's not missing it. The fourth one is hanging right there on top of his head, but he can't see it because he's looking in this direction. Again, everything is very symbolic, and you have to take into account whatever the question is and whatever is happening during the reading. The Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is a positive card, and it symbolizes friendship and happiness and getting together and gathering with friends and having a good time. The Two of Cups is not hard to decipher at all. It's very similar to the Lover's card, and this mostly represents a love connection with someone, a heart connection. I will let you work on the rest. Let me know how it goes. And now, as a homework for next week, I want you to shuffle both of them this deck, this suit, and the major arcana suits. Now you're ready to play with both of them together. You're going to shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. In the morning, you will pick one card, and that will be the card of the day. For this exercise, you are allowed to look up the meaning if you have to. Because the reason why I allow you to do that is because it's really difficult to read cards for yourself. If the reading is for you, unfortunately, we lose objectivity. We only see what we want to see, or what we can see. And many times we're blindsided by what we really want, and we are not able to see the reality or the truth. So for this exercise, you can consult the booklet or a book. I'll see you next time. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And I am looking forward to hear from you.